All right, in this week's video, we actually take this plain, boring, square, white box that just sits on the floor, super heavy when it is filled with scrapbook paper. Let's watch this big transformation. Well, I just spray painted this box green. It's actually primer, and forgot to hit the button to record. So you're gonna see it's green. I'm going to take this paint. I know you can't see what it is. I think it's like chalk paint, but I'm gonna do a coat of that on this, and I have legs for it, and I spray painted the handle gold. I think I left those in the other room. So before I paint, I'm actually going to put these legs on because I'm going to paint it in here. And that way it's off the ground and I don't worry about the bottom. I'm going to pre-drill my holes. So let's do that first. That looks so cute. It already looks cute. Thanks. Is there any way to secure this better?
Huh? Put some screws in the bottom.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. It's still just as wobbly. That didn't even do anything. Okay, John is making this stronger. You saw me do the 4 screws. It didn't really help. He's adding triangle brackets. All right, here's my chalk paint. I need to stir it up, but I'm gonna mix it and make it green. So here's some handles I have that are going to go on the sides of the box. They don't really go with the box being silver and kind of a fake wood. So I'm going to spray paint them black. All right, I got my box all painted. I think I should probably, because it is chalk paint, a lot of times you put a wax coat on it, and I do have some. I probably should do that. But I do have the holes drilled for those handles. I just spray painted black. The reason why I did those, I don't need them necessarily for the drawer, but to move this thing, it didn't have feet, and to pick this bitch up was so really heavy. Scrapbook paper is very heavy, and I always have it full. I thought, why not put handles on the side? So I drilled the hole, spray painted them black. So I'm going to put those on. Well, the scrapbook box is finally done. It looks so much better. It's seriously like night and day. You know how you'll have furniture that has the metal corner brackets for show? I love those. What I did with my Cricut is I had gold paper and I cut out kind of like a faux gold corner bracket. So I found some of those and I was like, man, I'll just use those. They fit perfect. So let me show you. All right, so here is the box with the legs. Doesn't it look so sharp? Oh my goodness, it looks so much better. So there's the side handles, painted black, so much better. So honestly, I painted it, added those handles, and added these little faux brackets from gold paper. That was it. Well, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and pretty fun, easy project. Paint transforms anything. It's pretty amazing. I'm Joy, and this is Joy O'Keefe. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed what you saw, and I will see you again with another project.